Fall has a way of reminding us that change can be beautiful, and sometimes that change is also finding the perfect fit for the next season in your life. Rarely seen, we have these vaulted ceilings because we're on the top floor, making it so light and airy in here, and you'll forget the fact that you're even in a condo. No matter what season you're at in your life, you are going to love the abundance of storage here, including a pantry and in-suite laundry. With 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this condo is perfect, whether you're a fresh first-time homebuyer or a downsizer looking to simplify life. This is your private front row seat to epic prairie sunsets from your northwest balcony, reminding you that every day is full of new possibilities. Underground parking means you no longer have to brush snow off your car in winter, and we all know that's important here. Above that, we've got the construction of this building, which also includes concrete floors between each unit, ensuring that it is going to be nice and quiet for you. Shopping right across the street, transportation at your doorstep, everything you need is right here, just steps away. The seasons are changing, and maybe it's time yours does too. Welcome home.